QSI stock analysis and QSI stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Sitting at $1.68. I myself, for context, have done well over 42,000 videos, so I have seen personally what's working for me and what's not. Especially now with Quantum SI stock. Definitely looking to double down to the upside. Why not? You know, I was waiting for the confirmation beforehand, which didn't sort of happen. This is like this link that you see here, just a window from this previous one. This was not even a, I know, like no trades got taken there. So what I'm going to do is get rid of all that. This is my demand. It's my top. And ultimately, I mean, if you want to, I have previous receipts with QSI. And if you want to stay tuned with QSI, I want to learn how I'm making 5, 10K per month. Click the first link in the description, get my free mails and insights. But moving forward, the only thing that I'll care about is if there is some sort of a double break confirmation. And if not, it's totally fine. What I'm not going to do is randomly buy. It's really simple. So that's QSI. All I'm doing is I'm waiting. So rules must be happening. That's a law. Goodbye and enjoy. See you in the next one.